Greetings, learners. This is your Sir Brandon, and I will guide you on how to solve linear programming product mix problem by way of Excel solver. So last discussion, we solved uh, a linear programming maximization problem manually. No, we have here in the screen, your screen, the mathematical model of that problem. No, it was first a worded problem, then we transform it into a mathematical model, like you see in this the top screen. Then below that is the tabular form. Now we convert the mathematical model into tabular form. So from the tabular form, we will construct an Excel sheet containing this information, and then solve this using the data analysis, the solver add-ins. Excuse me. Like you can see in the screen, from the data tab, you can see the Excel solver program. Okay, so let's start. So from the tabular form, we will use this information to put this into a separate sheet. So you will type this information, no, using the tabular form data. We just merge this, merge and center. Okay, and also this one. Okay, this is the first step. You type the information uh, like the following. You can also type this in any location you like. No? In any location you like. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is you put formulas into these blank shaded areas. No? So for the total, we put the formula multiplied by the decision variable, then plus we put a parenthesis to separate the formulas. Okay, so this is the formula for the total. Just press enter. Okay, initially you can see this as 0. Next step 3. By the way, the steps are also presented in your module. This is similar steps. So to continue, we will put formulas in this part. Okay, when you put formula here, just drag down and copy. Okay, so the formula here is we are using sum product. Then we close parenthesis, and then the decision variable. Okay, so this initially 0. Then you just you point this to the corner, and a plus sign will appear, and then just drag down to copy. Your formula should not move. Your formula should not move. Okay, so the B10 and C10 should not move. So therefore, you must put a dollar sign. Yeah, dollar sign. So this B10 and C10 will not move. So we put $sign in between. Now you can see. And then just drag down. Should be 00. Ito check. Yan. Okay. Put $sign. Next. Step 4. So all of our all of this shaded, this part has a formula already. Excuse me. We will go to step 4. So step 4, we will locate, or we will find the data tab and the solver. So last last tutorial video, I showed you how to install solver. So you just click solver, and this window will appear. Okay. Step 5, fill up the cells. Okay. So for the objective, our objective is the total. Okay, and then press it again, and then set objective 2. We are linear programming maximization, so we pick this one. Anyway, it is in the default. Okay, and then changing variable cells. For changing variable cells, just click this and then select, and again click this one. Oh no, not that. Okay, just again, sorry, that is wrong. Just click this too. And, okay, that is the right the decision variables, no? The two decision variables. You just highlight, and like this one, you drag to click both. Okay, so B10 to C10, that is the by changing Chell's variables. And next, we go to the subject to the constraints. So we click add. Okay, so we have 3 constraints. So we just do one by one. So first, constraint 1, and then this is the left hand side, and then this is the sign. So the sign should be this way, no? Less than or equal, because in the problem, as you remember, uh, the left hand side should be less than, or this side should be less than or equal to 4 hours. So this is correct. You will not change this one because this is correct. And then subject to the constraint 4 hours, so we choose this. Okay, and then click this one, and then okay, add. So you will go to the second constraint, and then next is similarly, you just do this one, then less than or equal to the constraint 12 hours, and then click this, add, click add. So we are now down to the third constraint. So for this one, we just click this, and then less than or equal, then 18. And then when you are finished, just you will not click add, just click OK. So you can see in this portion we have 3 constraints. Okay, and then in step 6, go to the option tab. Then go to the okay, I think in all methods, use automatic scaling, show iteration results. Okay, then GRG. I think this is good to go. Okay, just click OK. So and then the last part is just click solve. Okay, this window appears. So just click OK. Then voila, no? This is your answer. So is it correct? So as you can remember, we are tasked to produce in that week. For product 1 we have 2, and product 2 is to 6 units. That will give us a maximum profit of 36,000. And then in this portion you can see the hours, no? You have 2 hours for I think constraint 1 is plant 1, 12 hours for plant 2, and 18 maximum hours for plant 3. So this is less than or equal to 4. This is equal less than or equal to 12. So this is also less than or equal, or they are equal to 18. Okay, thank you very much. I think that's it. Now, hope you have learned from this lesson, and always keep safe, stay healthy, and God bless. And I'll see you on the next video.